Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows 11 as well as Windows 10 USB ports not working or not recognized. So how to fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all on the search box type a device manager. Open device manager. After that, go to your universal serial bus controller and expand it, and all the drivers update. Click on browse my computer from drivers, click on let me pick from a list available driver on my computer and select and click on next to continue. And after doing this step, close it. Now one by one update all it. Now select fourth one. Now after it successfully update all the drivers, close it and restart your computer and be sure that after doing this set your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type device manager, and after that open a device manager, and after that go to your universal serial bus controller and one by one uninstall all devices. After uninstalling that, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your all the drivers install automatically, and after that your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a third method. The third method is that in the search box type a device manager, open device manager. After doing this set, select a universal serial bus controller and right click on all the drivers and go to your properties, go to your power management, and make sure that allow the computer to turn off this device on same move is make sure that is unchecked. If it's checked, then uncheck it, click on OK button, and select the second one, go to your power management and make sure that is unchecked. Now the third one, go to your if the go to your properties, go to power management and make sure that is unchecked. So after that close it and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this step your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.